Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone in Grindr. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grindr application. Now go to the profile of the person that you want to block. Click on the circle icon in the top section of your screen. And here you can see block user option. Click on it. And if you're sure, click on the yes option. And that is how you can block someone in Grindr. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.